In this week's Outdoor Learning, we're looking at fire. To start a fire and keep it going, we need three things. These three things make up the fire triangle. Pause the video now if you want to take a guess at what they are. The first thing we need is fuel. That means something to burn. This could be dry wood or leaves, paper and card, which is made from wood, coal, gas and petrol are all fossil fuels, and here we're going to use cotton wool. The second thing we need is heat. There are lots of different ways of heating up our fuel. Rubbing things together makes them hot, and you can see this for yourself by rubbing your hands together. So we can make hot embers by rubbing two bits of wood together in a certain way. Alternatively, we can focus the heat from the sun using something like a magnifying glass to make a small spot to get very hot. Or we can make a spark. Throughout history, people have used flint, that's a type of rock, to make sparks. But things like cookers, lighters, and this fire steel use special types of metal like magnesium. The third part of the fire triangle is oxygen. The fuel will only burn if oxygen in the air can get to it. So when building a campfire, you have to start with fine bits of fuel like dry grass, then gradually add bigger bits until you can add logs if you want. Putting too much fuel onto a small fire stops the oxygen getting to it. You should never start a fire without having an easy way of putting it out. To stop a fire, we just have to remove one part of the fire triangle. Pouring cold water over a fire removes the heat, allowing it simply to burn down means it runs out of fuel. Or covering it with a fire blanket or sand prevents oxygen from getting to the fuel. Check out the Scout's Guide to Campfire Safety before lighting any fire. There's a link in the description. Thanks for watching.